To make $1 million in crypto in this cycle, you need a strategy. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a strategy that will help you to make $1 million in crypto in this cycle. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so when next I publish new content. So here are what I'll be looking at in this video. How does this $1 million, how does it work? $1 million strategy, how does it work? Then what are the goals? What are the goals of this strategy? As I'm breaking it down, we look at the goals. Then what is your exit strategy? Then I'll show you an example of how it works in action. So let's get started. How does it work? Simply put, you need a capital of $2,000. And with $2,000, we have two accounts, which I call main wallet or main account and Degen wallet or Degen account. So Phantom Solana chain could be a very good chain that you can use to experiment this. You can decide to experiment this with $2,500, know what the outcome would be before the end of the cycle. Then once you have $2,500 and you have two wallets or accounts, main wallet and the Degen wallet, you can name them, label them main wallet and the Degen wallet. Then the next thing is to allocate capital. So your main wallet should have $2,000 and your Degen wallet should have $500. So in this case, you are allocating more to main wallet and you are allocating less to Degen wallet. I'm going to be explaining what it's all about. Then, so the next thing we look at is what is the goals or what are the goals of these two accounts. Now, the main wallet goal is to hold old and high conviction projects like swaps, project like graphene. Now, in this case, you have to study the narrative and the trend, where trend goes, where attention goes, there money flows. So the current trend is AI and memes. So your allocation will involve your portfolio should constitute AI coins and meme coins. Having understood that, you are holding just old project and high conviction project. All project in the sense that it's not a project that launched in the last 24 hours. It's a project that launched, 5 days and more, or 3 days and more, 2 days and more. And there's high conviction. It is tested. The team is DOS, or the teams are DOS. The next, your focus should be on 5 to 10x. So this means if, for example, I buy graphene at, say, I buy graphene at $50 million. Once it get to $250 million, then that should be the focus. $250 million and $500 million. That should be the focus for the main account. That should be the goal. Then the Degen account, the goal of the Degen account is to trade new projects with good thesis. For example, there's a new project that is launched and the project is tweeted by Elon Musk. You can buy the project, but you know that this kind of project or this kind of coin are temporary. They may not. They are growing based on hypes. Once the hype dies down, then the project will go down, will flatten. Then you should focus on growing. The focus of the Degen account is to grow your main funds and the Degen capital. So this means when you make money, when you take a trade and you make profit, you take that profit, you add part to the Degen capital, and you add part of the profit, major part of the profit to the main wallet or the main account. This is so crucial. Now, the Degen account is very risky because you are trading new coins. So once we have this in play, then we can talk about the exit strategy. What is the exit strategy? What you should be looking at? How do you exit? Yeah. So the exit strategy, you look at the main account exit strategy is exit 50% at 5x. For example, you buy graphene at 50 million and graphene rise to 250 million, sell 50%. When you sell 50%, it means you have taken out 5x. Then you should now focus on this year out on the way up. Once it hits 500 million, 1 billion, be taking 20% or 50% out on the way up. That way, you will be able to maximize the potential and you won't leave profit on the table. But also, so the Degen account exit strategy. Now, for the Degen account, this is like you are day trading, so you should not hold for a long time. You take initials on 3x. For example, let's say you put $100 in the trade and it is now $300. Sell 50%. 50% of $150. Then and exit on huge profit. Once this project performs well and it is 10x, close the trade. This is because it is risky and the early buyers will start taking profit and the market cap will drop drastically too. It will flatten. So it is always good to take profit on new trades. You close it, even if it has good potential, you may consider buying it and adding it to the main account or main port in the future. So this is simply how the $1 million strategy, this is how it works, and this is simply how you can implement it. I'm going to show you an example of the $1 million example, how it can be applied in effect. So this is the $1 million example. Let's say you have the capital, as we said, is $2,000 for the main account. This is just for the main account. Now we have coins, coin 1, coin 2, coin 3, coin 4, coin 5, and you are allocating $200 for each of the coins. You allocate $200 for coin 1, you allocate $200 for coin 2, for coin 3 to coin 5. each has an allocation of $200. Now, on the 10x, you have $200 will become $2,000. Now, $2,000 times 5, 2,000 times 5, that is $100,000. 2,000 times 5 is $100,000. So this is the first set. So this is the first set. So if you have $100,000, what it means is that you need to do that. You need a 10x of $100,000 to achieve $1 million. All you just need is to take this $100,000 and also put $2,000 each on 5 projects. And once you have 10x, it is $1 million. So this is simply how to make $1 million in this cycle. And in any cycle, you can apply this already, and you'll be blown away at the result you have. Now, I would like to say that do not take your long-term, your main portfolio. Do not take money from there and add to the gen. Always take money from the gen and take the part of the portfolio from the gen and add to the main pot. That way, you will achieve huge success. So here you have it, the $1 million strategy that you can use to make $1 million in this cycle and other cycle. If you find this content very valuable, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, like and comment. There's a video here on why Solana will reach $1,000 per price in this cycle. Check it out if you find it interesting. Coin Dollar has a community, and in this community, we share alpha and information that help members to make money in crypto. Check the description section to join the community.